Now we are going to look at the main players of stock market. There are three types of players who played main role, namely institutional investors, HNI, high net worth individual, and retail investors. We'll see one by one. As far as the institutional investor is concerned, mutual fund companies, commercial banks, foreign venture capitals, insurance companies, provident fund and pension fund. These are the example for institutional investors. They are otherwise called as qualified institutional buyers. They do bulk orders. They buy and sell securities in a large amount of quantity. In fact, they influence the market mainly. And another type of investor is HNI, high net worth individuals. They actually next to the foreign institutional investors. The person or an individual, one who buy and sell stocks more than 2 lakhs up to 10 crores or and so on. They are called high net worth individuals. Of course, there is no particular threshold limit for buying and selling of shares in numbers. They coming under the institutional investors. Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in India. They are the example for high net worth individuals. Now the next type of investors are retail investors. Actually, this type of investor, they do not have control over the stock market. They buy and sell securities in a small amount. They never influence the market. The people who buy and sell shares up to 2 lakhs, they come under this category. Now we'll move to next type of player in the stock market. Registrar and transfer agent. Share transfer agent is an agent who on behalf of the body corporate maintains records of holders of securities issued by such body corporate and deals with the process of transfer and redemption of securities. The main role is to collect applications from investors in respect of an issues. Keep a proper record of applications and monies received from investors are paid to the seller of securities. Assisting body corporate or a group of persons in determining a basis of allotment in consultation with the stock exchange. Finalizing the list of persons entitled to allotment. And processing and dispatching allotment letters, refund orders or certificates and other related documents in respect of an issue. Next type of player is issuers. Issuers are 25% constituent of capital market. Issuers are the companies and institutions that issue securities like shares, bond, etc. They raise capital from investors and service the capital. While debt is serviced by timely payment of interest and repayment of principal. Equity is serviced by payment of dividend and stock price appreciation. Investors. This we already seen. There are three types of investors like retail, HNI and institutional investors. Underwriters. Underwriters administer the public issuance and distribution of securities in the form of common or preferred stock from a corporations or other issuing body in the equity markets. Perhaps the most prominent role of an equity underwriter is in the IPO process. IPO underwriters are financial specialists who work closely with the issuing body to determine the initial offering price of the securities, buy the securities from the issuers, and sell the securities to the investors via the underwriters distribution network. IPO underwriters actually they are investment banks that have IPO specialists on staff. These investment banks work with the company to ensure that all the regulatory requirements are satisfied. Thank you.